Namaste, my name is Mansi. In today's day and age, our value education system has become a lot more important. But what makes up our value education? Our culture, our customs, traditional practices, etc. Where do we find the answers for all of this? I have someone with me who can help us with these answers. Can I please ask you to briefly introduce yourselves, please?
So Namaste, I'm Chandranath, co-founder and director at Vaidik. I'm engineering graduate with 25 years of experience in IT, including the corporates like IBM, Cognizant and all. I thought it is the right time to start working on the area where I have more passionate about. So spirituality is something which I am more passionate. So hence the Vaidik as a platform which is started now.
Namaste, I'm Arvind Kamath. I'm one of the co-founders and directors at Vaidik. After spending close to 25 years in the corporate, worked for large companies like IBM, Infosys, HP, etc. I thought it's high time I took corporate sannyas and did something of my own, which also interests me. And spiritualism is one area which really interested me, and that's where we thought of starting Vaidik.com.
So Arvindji, how did the idea for Vaidik originate?
Okay, it's very interesting. Sometime back, about 2 years ago, when I and Chandranath were traveling to Netherlands on some official duty, while on the way to the airport, we saw that the chauffeur was taking us to the airport was a Purohit, and we were really amazed that a Brahmin who was supposed to perform rituals was not following his family profession, but rather he has chosen a path of driving cars for a living. Mm-hmm. Maybe we did not have enough opportunities, or maybe there could be some other reason. But that really made us think that there is something wrong and this profession has to be given some kind of encouragement. Right. Incidentally, in the flight to Amsterdam, one of the co-passengers was talking to us, and we were just chatting up on his experience, and he mentioned to us that the Purohits who conduct pujas or rituals at home did not have the right education or the background to explain the scientific meaning behind the ritual, which was actually hurting him in the sense his children were not able to connect why the pujas or why the ritual is being conducted. Mm-hmm. So there was certainly a gap. On one side we saw the Purohits not getting enough opportunities. On the other side, we also heard someone say that the Purohits are not able to explain the entire process to him, or giving the scientific meaning behind it, or why rituals are being conducted. Mm-hmm. So this, with these two incidents, we just thought about, okay, there is something lacking today. Some sort of a service where we bring the Purohits on a platform, who are verified Purohits, who have perhaps the right knowledge, or even who can explain the meaning behind the ritual to their customers. Mm-hmm. So this made us to think, okay, we should do something about it, and that's how subsequently the idea of Vaidik was born.
So Chandranath, what are the services currently offered by Vaidik?
So as part of our offerings, we have two areas. One is the ritual services area, and the other one is the education services. So as part of ritual services, we offer Book a Purohit, which is to book a puja or homa at your home. So we have the puja at temple, where the people who have infrastructural issues, they can book a puja in a temple of their choice. So, and the third option is, the offering is about the events, wherein we take care of the end-to-end event management for a ritual services like weddings or Griha Praveshams. So it will cover entire thing, right from Purohit till you in a venue, or you have the other offerings, requirements. So all are covered as an end-to-end package. Yeah. So coming to the last but not the least, we also offer the Antim Yatra service, so which is actually a need of the hour when somebody expires in a family. So we take care of the entire requirement of Antim Yatra, right from the Purohit to the hair soin to the crematorium. Everything will be covered as part of the offerings. So coming to the educational services, we have Vaidik Shala, which offers online e-learning platform. It's a online e-learning platform which offers the online courses as well as the self-paced class. And secondly, we also offer the corporate trainings, which is purely spirituality based, so motivational sessions. So these are all the services that we currently offer. Okay, so now coming to the target of audience whom we are actually going to provide the service to. So one is the vast migrant population to cities like Bangalore who are actually struggling to get the right Purohit speaking their language and then to belonging to their community. So we offer the service wherein they get a Purohit as per their requirement without any hassle-free services. And then secondly, we are targeting the people who are actually having infrastructural issues, who want to conduct puja but they don't have the infrastructure. So we offer them the pujas at a temple. Then the third is about the event management. So it's people who are actually looking for someone who can actually take care of their worries. Okay, so we are there to support them right from hall booking for a marriage or Graha Pravesham, book a Purohit, to all the catering, the Shamiana, so you call it. So we take care of that. So these are all the things that we are actually offering.
So Chandranathji, according to you, what are some of the biggest challenges you face so far?
Yeah, actually, like any organization or any startup that's had, so every startup has a lot of challenges. But being a very unorganized sector, we have more challenges to cater to. So one is mainly because our backbone is the Purohits, right? So now when we start giving our offerings to a customer, so we have to get the right Purohit onboarded. So it was very difficult, or it was very challenging to convince a Purohit who are normally non-tech savvy people. So we had to convince them that what are our platform bringing onto the table and what are the benefits they are going to get it. So to convince them was the biggest challenge, and we also had to talk about their younger generations who are actually drifting away from their profession because of the better payers and then not getting the right opportunities. So considering the younger generation now who are actually mostly tech savvy and who wants the rituals to be done on time, and so it was very difficult to convince them and then and make them understand that this is the need of the hours. And second challenge we had was about getting the right people who work with us, right? So as we have our own philosophy, we have our own passion, so we need to get a right people who understand our passion and they are also passionate about this. So that was another major challenge we had, to get the right people. So we got a very good people who are actually working with us, and so it's very happy. And thirdly, it is the technology platform, because the offering is totally technology driven. We need to have a very strong technology which supports all our offerings, and we don't have actually a platform that is already built. So we have to start from the scratch. We have to engage the right technology partners. We have to make them understand the business requirement, which is very again spiritual in nature.
Right.
So that was the third challenge that we had to face.
So entering an unorganized market definitely has its challenges, and which you have surely overcome. What have been your biggest learnings from this journey?
Yeah, as you rightly said, being an unorganized sector, we do not have a market data to bank on. So we had to actually understand the market in detail, so and then understand the psyche of the customer to come out with that right technology platform, so that we can offer the right services to the customer. So that was one of the learnings that we had. So secondly, the need of our today's generation is that the punctuality. So because the complaints we are getting normally is that Purohits are not coming on time. So to address this issue, so what we are planning is to come out with the very premium package which covers the covering the GPS tracking of the Purohits, and we provide the cabs, Ola cabs or Uber cabs, so that there will not be any anxiety for the customer, like when the Purohit is coming and when the puja is starting, because this ritual services being muhurtam based, it is important that the Purohit reaches on time.
So Arvindji, what is Vaidik's USP?
We have a couple of strong USPs, the unique selling propositions. One of them is, of course, we believe in creating awareness rather than making people go for a ritual based on some fear factor, etc. So we believe by creating awareness, we not just create the education behind why a ritual is required, what is the scientific reasoning behind a ritual. So one of the key USP we have is the awareness platform, what we call as Vaidik Shala. It's an e-learning platform, and we plan to have most of the rituals hosted on the platform, where we explain the scientific meaning, why it has to be conducted, when it has to be conducted, and the other reasons behind it. Okay, so the second USP we have is about the final journey or the Antim Yatra, which is really the need of the hour. There are very few corporates who actually get into managing the final rites. You'll find a lot of smaller organizations or small trusts or NGOs do it, but not from a corporate point of view. So we want to take this like a corporate offering, where we give the utmost service to our clients by, as Chandranath already spoken about it, right from carrying right of the body to the crematorium to completing all the 12-13 days ceremony. So this is something we take up as a complete package without the customer having to worry about doing anything else on his own. The other USP we have is the puja at temple offering, which again Chandranath mentioned about it. This is for people who do not have the right infrastructure at home, or perhaps who do not want to perform the puja at home, and maybe they want to do it in a divine environment. So we have tied up with temples all over Bangalore, and these temples that are convenient to the customer, we fix up the rituals or the homa or the puja ceremonies there. They can call their relatives or friends. They can even have a meal if required. So, and the other USP is the puja at temple offering, wherein, as Chandranath already mentioned about it, it's for people who do not have the right infrastructure at home, or maybe they want to perform a puja or a ritual outside, or maybe they want to have it in a divine environment, in a temple. They can call their friends, relatives, and then have the meal followed by after the puja. So this is an offering that we have just launched, where we have tied up with few temples across Bangalore, and the temple which is closest to the customer will be assigned for this event. The other big learning we have found so far is about creating awareness. We thought rather than creating a fear factor among our customers about performing puja, rather they should be given an awareness. So an awareness platform like Vaidik Shala will really help. And also we have our own blogs where we keep updating our customers about why this ritual has to be conducted, when it has to be conducted, the scientific reasoning behind it. So this is other learning that we thought we should take it to the market. Now, rather than fear factor, make it more awareness driven. Create a want and the need for that. Last but not least, we have the Vaidik Shala platform, and there is a need to create not just awareness, but people who stay abroad or people who want to know about the real culture of India. We are targeting NRIs and foreigners who want to experience the real Indian way of life, the culture, the heritage. We have called it a cultage kind of a tour, where the foreigners or the NRIs will come down to India and then experience the real India.
So I'm sure your journey so far has been really interesting, and you have a lot of interesting anecdotes to share. But if you could share one anecdote with us, that would be great.
Yeah. So one anecdote I clearly remember, which I can articulate now, is about an experience when both me and Chandranath were doing hiring for interns. So we had gone to engineering college in Bangalore, wherein we wanted to talk to a few students who were really interested to join our kind of venture, because the institution they belonged to was more into spiritualism. So they were very keen to join us. So after the interview, I remember one girl coming to us and touching our feet and saying that you are the real modern day yogis who are out to change the unorganized sector and trying to bring some change into this world by using spiritualism and then taking spiritualism to the world, which is really unique.
See, another interesting thing that happened is, like, we have a very dedicated customer care center. So we keep in touch with the customers very regularly once the puja is booking, or even during the calls that we receive. So one of the calls, it so happened that one of the lady called us, and she was talking to me as Bhatji, as if I'm a Purohit, because the way we give them the responses to their questions, we try to do that. So they were very happy, and I had to tell them that, okay, I'm not a Purohit, but still I'll be able to answer your questions that I can, and then otherwise rest of the questions I'll get it answered through our Purohits. So you'll get the answer in a right time. So she was very happy.
So now that you've established Vaidik as a brand, what are your future plans?
So we have a lot of plans actually for the future. One is, of course, expanding Vaidik to other centers. We are not just content doing it only in Bangalore. We want to expand to other centers like Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, NCR, that is the Delhi region. So these are all huge markets for us. But we want to try it out here first in Bangalore, build a strong foundation, and then take it to the other markets. The other plan is, of course, the awareness creation platform, that is Vaidik Shala, we are calling it a global online e-learning platform, which will reach out to a very large population. We just don't have to be centered around one city. So the message that we are going to, the offering that we are going to come up with is going to be worldwide. It's going to address the global audience. The third one is, of course, the Cultage tours that we want to introduce to the NRIs and the foreigners. We want them to come to India, experience the real India, enjoy the culture and the traditions, and also experience how an Indian lives. The third one is, of course, from Vaidik Shala itself. We have an offering called Pathshala experience. It's nothing but a Cultage tour, a combination of culture and heritage tours. We want the NRIs and the foreigners to come to India to experience the real India, enjoy the culture and traditions, also participate in how an Indian family stays. So this is the area that we see a lot of potential,
Right.
and our current national leadership is also talking about bringing tourists from abroad,
Yes.
asking us to show them the real experience of India, the cultural experience, spiritualism.
Yes.
So this is the area that we are really banking on the future.
So now we can see how Vaidik has actually become a platform that creates a win-win situation for both the Purohit community to reach a wider audience, as well as a massive audience in a city that does not know where to reach out for Purohits to meet their ritual needs. I think it's a fantastic platform. For more information, please visit www.vaidik.com or download the mobile app. You can also find more information on Facebook at Namaste Vaidik or Twitter, which is info@Vaidik. For more information on Vaidik Shala, please visit www.vaidikshala.com. Thank you.